Welcome to session 5 of the Separate Science Revision Plan. Today we're back on chemistry and we're looking at titration. First of all, we want you to compare the use of a pipette with a burette. You then need to describe the method for carrying out a titration. Thirdly, what is a concordant result? Then your fourth activity is to work out that in a titration, a 12.5 cubic centimetre sample of nitric acid reacted exactly with 10 cubic centimetres of 0.4 moles per decimetre cubed potassium hydroxide solution. You need to calculate the concentration of the nitric acid. If you're wondering where to start there, write out the balanced equation to start with. And then finally, in another titration, a 14.8 cubic centimetre sample of phosphoric acid reacted exactly with 10 cubic centimetres of 0.4 moles per decimetre cubed potassium hydroxide solution. Again, you need to calculate the concentration of the phosphoric acid. Again, your first step is to write out the balanced equation of that reaction. You need to complete that in your red revision exercise book, and then you need to bring those answers to your next chemistry lesson.